Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications on the application of Rapid TV. You click on settings. In this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will search about Rapid TV. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi. Here you will turn on your airplane mode, and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget